Hi everybody, my name is Dan and welcome to my kitchen for another delicious episode of Man Cake. Today we're going to be making lemon drizzled strawberry donuts. They're going to be so good. I know you guys are going to love them, especially if you're a big fan of strawberry like I am. And all the ingredients we're going to be using today are going to be down below in the description, along with that subscribe button and that little bell so you can ring that and stay up to date on weekly brand new recipes. Now to get started, preheat your oven to 350 degrees and let's start on these delicious, amazing strawberry donuts. In a mixing bowl, you're going to want to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and 1/3 cup of white sugar. And then we just whisk those all together. With our dry ingredients done, let's go ahead and scoot those to the side, grab another mixing bowl for our wet ingredients, starting with 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 egg, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, a 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon of milk, and then we'll just whisk those all together. So we got our wet ingredients done, we got our dry ingredients done. Now let's go ahead and mix them all together. And then we'll just mix the batter until it's just smooth. Perfect and all set for our donut pan. Now this recipe is enough to fill one 6 donut well pan. If you want more, you can always just double or triple the recipe for how many donuts you want to make. As far as getting the batter into the donut pan, well today, you know, I'm a big fan of the piping bag. And then we'll just top those with some delicious, yummy strawberries. Chopped. And there we have it. Now we can go ahead and bake our donuts in the oven just for 10 minutes. So donuts are baked, they're starting to cool, kitchen smells like a strawberry dream. Now we get to work on our delicious lemon drizzle for the top of our donuts. So in a regular mixing bowl, we're going to add 2 cups of powdered sugar and 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. And then we're just going to whisk those all together until our drizzle is nice and smooth. Now I added the drizzle to another piping bag to give it a nice lemon drizzle effect on the donuts. So let's go ahead and add that on top. And then just taking some more yummy chopped strawberries, just sprinkle them on top of your donuts. And after that last step, you will have your delicious lemon drizzled strawberry donuts, which look just adorable and they're gonna taste amazing. I know you guys are gonna love these. But, you know, you need to do the taste test first. Is one delicious, amazing strawberry donut. And the lemon drizzle just adds to it. It's just perfection. Well, that's all I have for you guys this week. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below and why not check out all the other amazing donut recipes that we've made in the past? And if you make these delicious lemon drizzle strawberry donuts, give a tag on Instagram or Twitter or Facebook or any of the social places. Until next week, bye!